We are Filkinsdrift, a folk duo from Cardiff and Gloucestershire, and we've decided to make our next tour more sustainable, so we're walking all 870 miles of the Wales coast path.
We're playing over 45 concerts and we'll be meeting some inspiring artists and community leaders along the way. This week we've walked over 100 miles from Chester to Llandonna.
We are here at the very start of the Wales coast path. We've got our instruments on our backs and we're ready to walk all 870 miles. It's about 8:40 on a Sunday morning.
And we're doing this to release our new EP, Rembards Retreat, which came out on Sunday, and also to make a point about sustainable touring. And we thought, can we release an EP and do a tour without getting in a car and doing it all on foot? So we're trying this, and we thought we'd introduce you as well to Freddie, who's going to be walking every step along the way with us. Freddie's a good friend of mine back from uni, and is going to be helping film, carry gear. What else are you going to be doing?
All sorts. But yeah, really look forward to getting started. As I say, we'll be releasing videos twice a week on Wednesdays and Sundays. So check out Filkin's music on YouTube and social media, and filkinsmusic.com for all the tickets and info as well.
So we'll see you on the coast, and maybe see you in Chepstow for our last gig or whatever.
Or any of the others.
Or any of the others. I don't know why I said that.
Probably a kilometre in now.
Yeah.
1 mile?
Wow.
Yeah, 1 mile in!
869
to go left.
Oh my gosh. Well, the first one's felt alright, isn't it?
Yeah.
We saw a cormorant and a heron or two.
And an egret.
And an egret. You're an egret. So how is everybody feeling about the journey ahead?
I'm feeling excited.
Trepidatious.
My back started hurting already. So there's going to have to be some adjustments here. Got a very curvy back, so that's going to be an issue of mine.
Curvature of the spine.
But I'm looking forward to it. Ready?
Yeah, nervous, excited. The standard too.
The power combo.
Yeah. But yeah, it looks like good weather for the first week or so.
We're creamed up.
And then who knows after sun cream, that is, yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, fingers crossed for good weather throughout, but you can never rely on that on the coast, really.
True.
No, that's it. It's so
especially
changeable, isn't it?
in October.
Cut to us in like half an hour's time in pouring rain.
Yeah.
And so today we've got quite a long walk. This is the River Dee, and we've got a long walk along the River Dee. We get onto the sea later today, don't we?
I think, yeah, or at least the estuary. At least it opens out. And through Flint, Baggilt, I think, as well. And then in theory we're finishing in Greenfield. Yeah, we'll see how far we get today. It still just feels like we're having a nice walk. It's just this is it. It's just today. We're just
right now. It's
one day at a time, I think, is
a
good mindset.
Yeah.
This ABBA thing is maybe interesting because it means estuary.
Ah.
People don't know Aberystwyth is the mouth of the River Ystwyth. And I don't know if we're near any ABBAs now. Any named ABBAs anyway. Yeah, ABBA, so that means, changing estuary.
How do you pronounce it?
Aberystwyth Newid.
Means changing estuary.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
A fair bit.
Lot of miles to go.
Where are you going?
Chepstow.
There?
Eventually, Chepstow. But just up to Greenfield today.
Chepstow.
Yeah, down south.
We're doing the Wales coast path.
Oh, got any races on?
No.
They're playing gigs every night. They're musicians. Oh yeah?
Got the instruments, yeah.
Oh sweet!
Yeah.
travelling wheelbridge.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
See you soon.
Come on, let's go 40.
If you... Oh, it's Rembard.
Rembards.
Nice.
Hey!
Yeah.
And a
Thank you, Karen.
beautiful pumping station.
Yeah, here we are.
Welsh pumping station.
Welsh.
Oh, all contractors must have written authorisation to work on this site.
Uh-oh.
I don't know if we do.
Right, let's go.
One's Welsh, one's English, Seth By on fiddle and vocals, and Chris Roberts on guitar and vocals.
Hey.
Basically, they recorded a debut EP on the grounds of a manor house, a Saxon one, and the EP, Rembards Retreat, comes out today. It's named after Rembard, the abbot of the land the record was recorded on, and it takes traditional melodies from Wales and England and original material inspired by the Cotswolds. So quite a mix. But what's really, I find it quite interesting, to be very green and tour, they decided to tour on foot. They're walking not just the Pembrokeshire Coastal Path, I beg your pardon, the entire
Thank you,
Wales Coast Path, performing every night on the journey. And they're going to be collecting songs, stories and tunes as well to incorporate into those gigs. So it becomes a kind of a tapestry of what they've picked up along the coastal walk. So it kicks off, is it the Sunday? Yes, Sunday the 3rd today. So
Yeah,
they're in
today.
St David's, Connors Quay
We
today.
are.
Then they're heading through Rhyl, Llandudno, Conwy, Amlwch, Cemais, Holyhead, Aberfraw, Llanedwen,
Keep
Parish
going.
Church and so forth,
gonna
all
list
the way
all
to
40.
St Luke's Tutsil near Chepstow.
Good. We got a good little plug there.
Yeah, that was a nice little segment. Diolch yn fawr. Oh yeah, we're going to do your Welsh Bird of the Day at lunchtime.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I want it now!
Oh man, so we're going up to the top of Flint Castle.
Ooh.
This is our first proper view of the coast.
Away.
Oh my gosh.
Not bad, is it?
It's alright.
Pretty
Wow.
alright.
Well, if it's like this for the next 60 days, I'll be happy.
So we come from...
Came from that direction.
We've come all the way down from just outside Chester,
Yeah.
down past all those power stations. And this is, I guess this is an estuary still.
Yeah.
It's not quite the sea, but the
Not
sea
the
is that
sea
way,
yet.
and we'll see it properly tomorrow. And that's the Wirral over there.
This is gorgeous. It's day 2 at the Travel Lodge, and we had a big disaster. We've just pulled off. My mum's given us a lift to Greenfield to start the day, and we left the CDs on the roof. And we got on this fast dual carriageway, and a fresh batch of 500 Filkinsdrift Rembards Retreat EPs just fell off the roof and onto oh god, and onto the dual carriageway, and are now oh god, they're absolutely strewn everywhere. Look at this. That's a brand new CD. 500. You got 50 quid?
That's something. We're going to just pick up all of these.
What? Oh no. There's a couple on the other side of the road. I can see one there in very pristine condition. I just don't think we can get across, really. Man, those poor CDs.
Okay.
I was amazed how just in that 15 minutes how spread out they got. It's
Yeah.
insane. Time to go.
Directly.
Morning.
Wow, so many wind farms. Just got another one coming to view.
Oh yeah. They love the wind around here.
Oh look, there's a guy out on the sand.
a lot of it.
Two people out on the sand.
Yeah.
Probably collecting
Hopes and dreams.
Collecting the hopes and dreams.
hopes, dreams and shellfish.
My favourite breakfast. Oh, now it feels like we're really on the Welsh coast.
Well, yeah, in fact, this is quite momentous. We're pretty much out the estuary, isn't it?
Did you ever used to make castles like that and then have like tunnel systems underneath?
Oh,
Yes.
that channeled the water.
Yeah.
Where you'd like build a drain rather, from the sea.
Yes.
And you'd have to build it a good spot from the sea so that you could draw the water. But when the tide came in, you know, you were still safe for a while.
Yeah. And there's something quite satisfying still though about watching your castle get destroyed
Yeah.
and seeing how long it would last as well.
Yeah, it's a harsh lesson taught young, isn't it? Like
Yeah. Coastal
the
erosion.
temporary nature, the fleeting nature of something. Nature.
Of existence.
Yes.
Yeah.
Anything man-made and that we consider permanent is not and never will be.
So tonight we're in
St. Anne's.
St. Anne's Rill.
Yeah, just up that way I think.
Where is it?
Yeah. We'll find some food.
Find some fish and chips.
Yeah.
So I'm a bit chipped out, and I've only had a Burger King chip so far.
That is very chips though.
Yeah, very chips. And we sold 10 tickets.
Way.
Double figures.
But you never know. They could be queuing at the door right now.
But I think they are. There's been a bit of traffic on the way in.
Yeah, I just saw a row of people up there. It's gonna be really good.
Oh no.
We're just inspecting the damage.
Limited edition. Only available while supplies last.
Oh dear. Filkinsdrift, everybody.
This one looks a rubber.
So there was 500 of them. How many do you think are left?
There is not 500 now. Not a single one.
So we're on our way from Conwy Bay.
Conwy Bay.
Colwyn Bay.
Oh, damn it! And we're playing in tonight. We're playing in Llandudno. Is that how you said?
Yeah, Llandudno.
Yeah.
Close enough.
We'll cheer today.
Ah,
Oh, good question.
we're walking the whole of the Wales coast path.
Yes.
Starting 3 days ago, and we're doing gigs all along the way,
Wow.
raising money for Live Music Now, who's a charity that bring music into like rural
Marvellous.
communities to work now.
So where are you playing in Llandudno then?
We're in the church up on the, what's it called, Chris?
On the Great Orme, St. Tidnose.
St. Tidnose.
Oh, what
Yeah.
an iconic place to go.
Yeah.
Oh, is it nice? But yeah, I haven't
there's
seen
some,
it yet.
There's some famous people buried there as well, like
Really?
Paula Yates. Do you know Paula Yates? Have you?
It rings a bell.
Bob Geldof's wife,
Oh,
I think she-
really?
Wow.
and some other people, famous
Right.
aeronauts and things like that. It's a
Yeah.
very peaceful place.
Yeah.
So what
Oh,
do
we're
you all
looking
play?
forward to it.
Double bass?
Guitar.
Bass.
Oh my gosh,
God.
double bass.
No, it would be bigger. It does look quite big.
It is quite big. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
And you see that hill? That's man-made.
This
That's
hill?
why it's so flat. When you get to the
really?
top, there's old winding gear.
used to have trucks coming down on the railway down to a quayside there to take the limestone rocks to a boat. But the locals call this one, who's writing? The locals call this hill Cardiac Hill for obvious reasons. So put Cardiac Hill in your notes.
I should have told us that at the top. Cheers, Paul.
Thank you.
The size of that graveyard for a tiny, tiny church.
Tiny.
We can go this way. Oh, let's go in the nice gate. Oh wait, maybe it's that church.
Oh, this is a lovely little place, isn't it?
Yeah, this feels proper.
So these two separate churches, or what? One's a rectory or a chapel, or maybe it's a rectory. No.
Rectory is like where the vicar lives usually.
No, I know, but
I reckon that's like that's just for burials probably, and this is for everything else, but also burials. By the looks of it.
how are you doing? I'm Seth and Chris.
Pleased to meet you. Lovely to meet you, sir.
Thanks for having us.
Nice to meet you, Freddie.
Hey, good to
Chris,
meet you. How
good
you
to meet
doing?
you at last.
You too. Oh my goodness.
I was just telling these two lovely people here about the concert this evening.
Oh great, there we go.
Just set out this morning on another absolutely scorching, stunning day, and you can just see round the corner there of the headland is St Tidnow's, where we played last night. Very lovely gig in the round, and up ahead we've got Ashley with us, and Chris, Freddie, and Christine, who is one of the organisers of the gig at St Tidnow's last night. She was just telling us that there's been a church on that land, or some kind of, varying holy ground since the 6th century. Which is mad.
Fel cangesan I llinde droi Fyrid y coed yn cerdded O roi'n fy men o gael ar main A serchithiau gwarinau Waith mwy na'r byd i'r mabad gael Yw gol yw gael
here in Conwy. We just started day 5 and come across one of the landmarks that we were hoping to see, hoping to run into, which is the smallest house in Great Britain. This cute little red one. It certainly do me. It's big enough for me. But it's very cute. Open 10 o'clock. Don't know if we'll get a chance to see inside, but there it is. Right, nestled up against the one of the towers of the old castle wall, or town wall rather. Wonder what the rent would be on that in London.
Mouse? Frog? No! True?
Oh my god.
Look at that! How did you pick it up?
Just saw it and I just picked it up.
I think he's alright. Yeah, he's just a bit scared.
Whoa!
Wow!
First suspension bridge.
Wow!
First suspension bridge in the world. Is that what you just said?
I just learned that 10 seconds ago.
Wow! Oh, here we go, I just learnt it now. More farm company.
It is.
Wow!
Onwards destination.
Isle of Anglesey, starting tomorrow. Woo! There it is.
So we go across, go all the way around, and come back across in a few days.
Yeah, just over a week.
And then go that way.
And we'll see you here tomorrow.
So we're just crossing the Menai Bridge. Is that what it's called?
The Menai Bridge, yeah it is.
So that's Anglesey over there. So it feels like a bit of an ominous isle. That's where we're going to be spending the next week, looping all round there. It's a week, isn't it?
Yeah, but more than a week.
A bit more than a week. In it for a while. So it's Friday today, we've just made it onto Anglesey, and yeah, we're feeling all right. It's been the first few days for me, I found it quite hard work, but I think our bodies have kind of settled into the rhythm of it now. I don't think we realised quite how much of a challenge it would be. Well, I didn't anyway, to be honest. There's not very much stopping. We walk, and then we get to the place, the venue. We finish walking about 6, and then we have a gig at 7, and that's been every day for the last 5 days, which is quite mentally tiring, let alone physically. But yeah, good.
Yeah.
I think we've got used to it now.
Yeah, just about. Once we get past week 2, I reckon nothing can touch us. Not even.
Famous last word.
Just blind optimism. That's what it's all about.